Okay. Fit that thing in there. That's why you don't use a lot. That's it. Wedge it in there. Push.
Oh boy.
Yeah, you're losing the heroin. No, I'm just joking. It's baking soda.
It's going. Not really.
Come around this side here. Jam it in there, man. You shouldn't have used so much. Let some of it out.
Yeah.
You think?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Shake it up and shake it. Shake it a lot, like the kid said. Shake it. Oh man. That is cheap. Quick, go throw it. Shake it and then throw it.
It's under a lot of pressure.
Just kick it. Just throw it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was insane! Oh my
Did you get at that, Dave?
No, I was too busy bouncing around.